cheek towards you.
He's got a scratch on his side.
It's alright.
Sit in Santa's lap.
That's Santa, big guy.
Do you want mommy to sit on Santa's lap too?
Oh,
There. How's that? All right. Okay, girls, go ahead and take a picture.
do we have some toys? We're not here, but we have toy trains. Did you get to see them at the museum?
Yes.
There's all kinds of toy trains around.
Okay, now let's take.
I know, there's all kinds of stuff.
Yeah. Okay, you come and sit on my lap, and Grandpa and Grandma can get in the back.
Sure.
Behind Santa. Okay, we get behind.
Hey, Isaac. Oh, the bag?
Oh, that's a bag, sweetheart.
Oh, there's no toys.
That's a bag for her.
Yeah, that's Mrs. Claus' handbag.
The toys are at the North
You have a kitten?
Pole where they work.
You have a dog?
Okay, let's look up here.
Hi,
Isaac, look at the lady.
Isaac, over here, buddy. Say cheese.
The bells.
It's off season.
The bells. The bells.
Say cheese.
How come something like that disappears? There's-
1, 2, 3.
Cheese.
There. Let's take another one.
Okay, smile, big guy. Smile. Cheese.
Now we can put all of you in.
Oh, that's all right.
No, it is all right.